One accident can cost thousands, but the right dashcam can protect you instantly. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best dashcams on AliExpress, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your car. Whether you want protection against accidents, insurance fraud, rideshare safety, or 24-hour parking surveillance, this list includes the strongest options available right now. I'll break down video quality, night vision performance, connectivity, and real-world usability. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Vantrue N2X 2.7K. The Vantrue N2X is a dual-channel dashcam recording both front and inside the vehicle. It features 2.7K HDR recording, STARVIS 2 sensor technology, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and IR night vision. It's particularly popular among rideshare drivers. Review highlights: the interior IR night vision performs very well in low-light conditions, and HDR improves clarity in high-contrast environments like nighttime city driving. Pros: 2.7K HDR front recording, STARVIS 2 sensor for better night clarity, IR night vision for cabin recording, 5G Wi-Fi and GPS built in, ideal for Uber and Lyft drivers. Number 4. Jimi JC181 Mini. The Jimi JC181 stands out with 4G connectivity and live streaming capability. It includes front and interior cameras, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi hotspot functionality, and real-time monitoring through a mobile app. Review highlights: this dashcam is built more for security and fleet tracking. The 4G live stream and remote access features make it ideal for business vehicles or parents monitoring young drivers. Pros: 4G live stream, GPS tracking and remote monitoring, multi-alarm security alerts, compact and discreet design. Number 3. AZDOME 550. The AZDOME 550 is a 3-channel dashcam recording front, rear, and interior simultaneously at 2.5K plus 1080p plus 2.5K resolution. It features Wi-Fi, GPS, IR night vision, and a 3.19-inch IPS screen. Review highlights: triple-channel recording provides full coverage around your vehicle. This makes it excellent for complete protection, especially for families or rideshare drivers. Pros: 3-channel recording, front, rear, inside. Strong resolution across all cameras. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. IR night vision for cabin clarity. Full vehicle coverage. Number 2. Baseus 3K VD1. The Baseus 3K VD1 offers 3K front recording with a rear camera, built-in GPS with Galileo support, and a supercapacitor for improved durability in extreme temperatures. It also supports 24-hour parking monitoring. Review highlights: the 3K resolution delivers sharper license plate capture compared to standard 1080p dashcams. The supercapacitor design improves reliability in hot or cold climates. Pros: 3K high-resolution front recording, built-in GPS with Galileo support, supercapacitor for longer lifespan, 24-hour parking mode support, reliable dual-camera coverage. Number 1. WOLFBOX G900 Pro. Taking the top position is the WOLFBOX G900 Pro, featuring 4K front recording and 2.5K rear recording, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and voice control. It's designed as a high-performance front and rear DVR system. Review highlights: the 4K front camera delivers exceptional detail, making license plates and road signs clearer, especially during daylight driving. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures faster file transfers to your smartphone. Pros: 4K front plus 2.5K rear resolution, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast downloads, voice control functionality, built-in GPS, excellent video clarity. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing video resolution, connectivity, reliability, and overall value, the WOLFBOX G900 Pro stands out as the best dashcam on AliExpress for most drivers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.